Okay, tip numero tres, because we have 1 and 2 already posted below. Ding ding. What else can you do in a blizzard? Man, because I don't know. Do you know?
You can play games.
I know you can play the hand game.
Yeah, let's play.
Say.
How do you do it?
Play, mate.
Wait. How do you, I forgot. I thought
No, it
you
goes like
went
this.
this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, it goes like this.
Say, don't play. Come out and play with.
You're really just about killed me. Owie. Tip 3. Take your tops off. Woo! Hello?
It smells like shit in there.
What the fuck is on the other side?
Who are you? What are you doing? You pervert.
Okay, no, seriously, it's... Brady, do you have any ideas? Oh, by the way, I'm not on the clock.
Oh, by the way, I don't work, so yeah. Everyone, meet our director. His name is Brady. There he is.
I have not been directed.
This is our director slash producer slash publicist. If you guys need to contact him at brady@youporn.com.
For a real expensive production, talk to him. Okay.
All right.
Well, that was a pretty shitty tip number 3, so
Yeah.
sorry.
So we'll be back with the real tip number 3.
Okay. Are we? Are we really going to? Oh no. We can play Chin Wars.
Okay, let's do tip number 3.